We're here today at Innovation Zero here in Olympia in the heart of London. It's been really important for Future Humber to bring our partners here today to tell the Humber story, and really our role has been to make sure that the collaboration of partners coming together can be turned into action.
The Humber as an area is the largest emitter of industrial carbon in the UK. So if we can decarbonise that, we'll go a long, long way to achieving our net zero ambitions. In fact, everyone's joined up here today is testament to the amount of work that they're doing and the advances that have been made. It is a transition. We can't flick a switch, unfortunately, and just solve all the issues that we're trying to face. And we need all these players here today to do that.
We're more than just a collection of large manufacturing petrochemical facilities. We are the shape of the new as much as we are the shape of decarbonisation of the old and the existing. And to be here at such an event, in such numbers, with public-private academia partnerships going on, it's tremendous.
Meld Energy is a green hydrogen developer. Our flagship project is a 100 megawatt green hydrogen production facility adjacent to the Saltine Chemical Park in the Humber. There's really no better place to be at this conference than the Humber Pavilion to give a strong message about the strength of collaboration there is in the Humber region for the energy transition, and specifically for green hydrogen and for decarbonization of industry.
Uniper has a site at Killingholme in the South Humber Bank. It's an existing power station, but we've also got plans to create an energy transition hub for the future, for future energy. So we're looking at low carbon hydrogen as part of that. Collaboration is really important. As the UK's largest industrial cluster, what we can do in the Humber, what we can demonstrate, what we can show and achieve hopefully for the Humber region can then be used as an example of how you can decarbonise industrial clusters globally. And it also allows potentially for the UK to export that know-how as part of helping other parts of the world decarbonise.
I'm here as part of the delegation from Drax. We're one of the largest power stations in the UK. We're the largest single source of renewable power in the UK. The biggest project for us is by 2030, we want to be capturing carbon. People are ready and waiting to invest to make the Humber the net zero cluster for the UK. We're really keen to get started.
We've seen that our model that we deploy within the Humber, where we have land, utilities, a range of services, but then use an existing infrastructure coupled with the ports and the logistics, that model is hugely attractive to inward investors. And what we are doing as PX with other partners, big industrial partners, saying, okay, we can replicate that model elsewhere, and particularly using brownfield locations that were former oil and gas or other industrial, and repurpose them. We need to retain that industrial manufacturing capability, but in the new, cleaner world of energy transition.
Today, here in the arena, the pavilion has been unbelievably busy. I'm really proud of the partners that we brought with us, and I'm really proud of my team for turning it around.
Future Humber has been a really good organisation for us to work with. They help to bring together the public and the private sector to promote the region, which an individual company on its own couldn't achieve.
So it's far surpassed my expectations. The Humber Pavilion itself is just inundated with people.
It's been really, really good actually. I'm exhausted already. It's only half through the day, but I haven't stopped talking.
It's been fantastic to get our message out as Drax, but also, again, to be part of that united front.
Today is about collaborating and get that message across about net zero. It matters.